like I'm playing.
There we go.
So it's like I'm playing.
Awesome.
Hi, how you doing?
Wait.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey! Dashing through the snow in a one horse open sleigh. I'm Patrick Mars and I'm total nerd of towers.
What?
Hi, how you doing? I'm Mama Potato Catch and I like watching the Biggest Loser.
Oh, you like watching the Biggest Loser?
I'm Charlie Myers and I take a finger cake.
You're mean.
I'm Brian and I know everything about the Mac.
What about me? What about me? What about me?
I don't know what to say now.
What about Shelby? Say Shelby.
She already here.
Like having friends.
You didn't say me.
You didn't say me.
Wow, that Christmas tree looks awesome. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Oh.
Get out from there.
Okay.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
I'll wait for you to that stupid Fred boy. Yeah. But it's not that funny. I hear him. Flickering lights. No.
Sophie, what'd you do?
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
It's like it's sleeping there.
I'm Maya and I love getting my belly red.
Say me. Gosh. No, say
That was funny.
No, say me. I'm his brother.
Say all the names.
I can't. I'm about to fall down and go to sleep.
One of them. Patrick, let's just play two people for one.
No,
But it's fun that way for two.